Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking boats today. We've got a 16-foot speedboat with a bumper that goes all the way around the entire sides, and we are going to show you how to reinstall it. There's a right way to do this, there's a wrong way to do this, or in other words, right time of year and wrong time of year. Let's take a look. We made our way outside. In front of us is our 1989 glass port. It's on the trailer, and we are going to remove the cover. However, we've got a sandbag kit on the cover that holds it in place, alleviates water pooling or building up and pulling the cover off where it needs to be. This works both on the trailer and really good in the water, as well as when the boat is on a hoist. However, we need the boat to sit in the sun and bake to allow that rubber bumper to loosen up. Inside the boat now with the cover off, and again, DIYers, sunny day. Wait for a very sunny, warm day. In our case, 80 degrees plus today and sun. And that is again going to soften up the rubber bumper on the side of your boat. Make it a lot more friendly to press back into its seam or slot. We're going to allow it to sit in the sun for several hours. Back with you, it's been several hours, and we have again allowed the rubber bumper to soften up, and we're going to go along the sides of the boat and again press in the rubber bumper that is escaping from the slot. Do not do this during the winter. You will break or crack the rubber bumper. It will be solid rock in the winter. Don't do that. Making our way port side, and as we travel along the side where the rubber bumper is, we do have a separation in our track, and that is prone to allowing the bumper to slide or slip out. However, in our case, it looks intact or in place. Continuing on, here is an area, look at that, popped right out or bulging out. And the remaining portion of the rubber bumper along the back is good. So we do need to direct our attention to that part right there. However, real quick, making our way to the back of the boat and to our securing plate that secures and holds the rubber bumper in place. And it's one piece, but there is a separation behind that little plate. And if that plate's loose, the rubber bumper itself has the freedom to shift and slide and do whatever it wants. However, again, the importance of not working on this in the winter. To starboard side, and we do have a few areas right there and another area right there. Small, but again, annoying to look at. Right there, and that's it. Camera in position, we're starting small, starboard side, and again, the top portion looks good inside the track. However, you will notice that the bumper itself has softened up to a point where I just push it in. Just like that. Go slow, don't rush it. See that? Just pops right in. And you can see it moves. And during the winter, I can promise you this, it will not move, and it will not be able to be pressed in like that. Making our way back, again, same thing, top portion looks good, but the bottom needs to be pushed in. To the back starboard portion, and again, this is the larger one of all of them. And just like the others, the top portion of the rubber bumper is inside the track. However, the bottom is not. So again, same thing, just carefully and slowly press in on the bottom portion of the bumper and shift it inside the track. And don't start here and then hop over here. Go all in one line. The importance, I know I've said it a few times, but the importance of not doing this in the winter. You will crack this rubber bumper. Making our way port side, DIYers, this is the very first portion that I showed you, and check this out. I just pull it right out. Look at that. And there's the back or inside of the track. Not sure if you can see it. I'll even lift it up a little bit. But again, start at the top, and again, just push it in. And from here, you can carefully shift it back and tighten it, and then go to the back and secure those screws. Make our way to the back, and again, once you feel comfortable that you have slid the entire rubber bumper, both starboard and port side back, if those screws are loose, tighten them. Don't over tighten them. That would be terrible. Cover back on, and again, we love that sandbag kit. Definitely an asset to our cover. Thanks again for watching.